Cloud navigation solutions utilize a vehicle's cellular connection to deliver the navigation experience. To support this, NNG has developed an NDS-based map streaming solution. This concept even supports full cloud navigation solutions. A lack of pre-installed maps available aboard is no longer a limitation. Required map data can be streamed and cached on the fly. The solution is scalable and supports a wide selection of configuration options. This allows optimization for bandwidth and of available data volume, and provides a pre-caching mechanism for when no cellular connection is available. Streaming only a 1-tile width map horizon is not enough to provide a seamless navigation experience. Widening this corridor enables smoother visualization. This counter shows the number of streamed routing tiles, plus the total size of the data streamed in kilobytes. In this example, streaming a 220 km long route from Munich to Stuttgart requires caching all of the routing, lane, name and map display layers in a 16 km wide tile corridor. In addition, an overview map for the route is required. The total download requires 24 megabytes of cellular data usage. In cloud navigation solutions, the cloud-based offboard map may be updated frequently. This means that changed map tiles will need to be restreamed. Quarterly updates are achieved by restreaming and applying the new map tiles to the previously cached corridor. The updated routing tiles are highlighted in red, while those with no changes are marked in green. Resending the quarterly update of the same corridor requires 20 megabytes of cellular data usage. Restreaming the updated tiles is not optimal for cellular data consumption. This is because often only some attributes are changed within the tiles. NNG has developed a novel solution that overcomes this limitation, enabling streaming of only the changes or deltas of the map tile. Streaming only the diff data as delta compressed map tiles requires significantly less data usage. Applying these diffs to the cache tiles on the fly indicates no slowdown in streaming performance, and the updated cache is binary identical in both cases. Streaming delta compressed map tiles for the same corridor requires 70 to 75% less cellular data usage than streaming complete tiles. This concept can minimize cellular data consumption for cloud navigation. To prove that live maps can be streamed by using delta compressed streaming technology, NDS.live objects are inserted into the cloud map to simulate a live experience that may be updated per second. When a new map tile version is available within the car's vicinity, it is restreamed instantly. Of course, restreaming complete map tiles every 5 seconds is not an optimal solution. However, streaming only the newly added NDS.live object, as a very small binary diff, can minimize cellular data consumption considerably. If you would like to know more about our products and services, please contact us.